Hey everyone, today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2026. The current time is 1:48 p.m. and today we will be taking the bus from Kennedy and Eglinton all the way to Main Street Station, which is on another station on the subway. And the duration of the travel will take a while. So let's see when's the next bus. Be here in 2 minutes. Oh, no, never mind. Going the other direction. Next bus going to where we're going is actually coming in 1 minute. Looks like it's backed up by traffic. The wonderful traffic of Toronto. So
that's Toronto!
And so after that, the moment we hop on the bus, I will stop talking and enjoy the ride. And I will resume recording the moment the bus comes. I think I see it. It should be here actually by now. But, oh, it's right there. Okay. So, I will stop talking and enjoy the ride. And I will resume recording the moment the bus comes. Okay, we're on the bus. We are heading to Main Street Station. The estimated arrival time to Main Street will be at 2:17 p.m. It is the entire route we will have to do all the way here.
Next stop, Marion Road.
So I will stop talking and enjoy the ride. And just like what the guy said earlier, this is Toronto. tonight around 11:59 p.m. there is going to be no subway service between some stations in, somewhere in Kennedy. So if you're coming from like Main Street, you can actually take this all the way to Kennedy a lot. So when we get to Main Street, I'll talk more about it later. And this route is actually like the lifeline with most of us for the people who live along the Danforth. And most of the time I'm traveling downtown to meet up with some old friends. I actually take this route all the time, and after that I take the subway or I take the LRT home or take the GO train home.
Next stop, 7th Street.
And then, yeah. So like, I'll talk more later. switch phones. I have to switch because my old phone actually died. So now I have to use my regular phone. So if you're gonna be wondering why there's a jump in a cut, and yeah. So we are, I don't even know if we're even close to the station. So yeah. Okay, we arrived at Mason. I was actually planning to stop recording by the time we get here, but since I'm going all the way, taking the subway, I think it'll be best bet is just for me, just to take it all the way, just film all the way. And actually, the subway was extended from Warden. So from here, from Warden Station, Warden used to be the former terminal for this entire line, on line 2. And then it got extended one stop to Kennedy around May 11, 19 something. I'll flash it on the screen when I see it.
Where are you going?
And pardon?
Where are you going?
Nowhere. I'm just like showing the history. And actually we will be going from all the way up to here, Bathurst. So technically from here all the way to Bathurst, we will take the subway. So after that, I will take some nice pictures of the downtown skyline with most of the time. Hopefully get some nice pictures of some the skyline and maybe somewhere. So yeah. And actually the guy earlier, if I was lost and I wasn't, so yeah, I was just showing the stuff. And now we're heading into the subway, and we will take it all the way to Bathurst. Oh, a nice timing too with the transfer. Here and see if there's any spots. And we will take this all the way to Bathurst.
The next station is Woodbine
Enjoy
Station.
the rest of the ride to the other subway station.
Arriving at Woodbine Station. The next station is Coxwell Station.
soon. I'm gonna switch cars again. I'm planning to go to the front. So, yeah.
Arriving at Peak Station.
I'll go open first.
The next station is Chester Station.
It's so cool. It's never open. Yeah.
Arriving at Chester Station.
If you grew up in the early 2000s or back in the 90s, you know where I am. I'm in the front looking
The next
at
station is Broadview Station.
front of the train. Everyone's favorite part when they were a kid. So yeah, this is the first time it's open since 2020 around the pandemic. So this is really exciting for Torontonians who grew up here in the early days.
Arriving at Broadview Station. The next station is Castle Frank Station. station is Sherburne Station. Arriving at Sherburne Station. The next station is Young Station.
With this one, with this station, there's actually 3 interchange stations with this line. So it's Young, which is the one that we're currently going toward. You can change to line 1, which is the longer version of the subway system. And cool fact that the subway, you can actually take the subway to Canada's Wonderland, and we
Arriving at Young Station.
and you can go from there. You can go to Wonderland and go back home. And, yeah. Interchange number 1 for line 1 Young U. This is actually one of the oldest stations in the entire system, with almost half of the population of Hamilton that transfers through this station alone, which is a lot of people. And they're planning to expand the station. So yeah.
The next station is Bay Station. Arriving at Bay Station. The next station is St. George Station.
This is the second interchange station with the subway. Actually easiest. This is the easiest interchange station with the subway. After this station will be Spadina, third interchange station. A third interchange station is this system. But this last station, there's a big long walkway that you have to do between this line and the yellow line. Yeah.
Arriving at St. George Station.
And from Bay Station, there used to be an old Swiss truck that connects from this side to the other side of the subway. But that got demolished after a couple months, or after something months, because it was too confusing for everybody. So those tracks lay abandoned, but they're still used for movies, like all of these ones. And they do some testing, product testing. They still use it, take the transfer subway cars from one line to another. And sorry for that earlier. It's something, my phone was bugging out. But we have arrived at Bathurst Station. With this one, you can actually, there's a streetcar that connects to the exhibitions area, where the World Cup will be hosting. So actually, I could have started all the way down here, but usually from here to here it's like a big slow zone. So that's why I went all the way up to like Main Street, and then went all the way here. I could have took the streetcar, but it's gonna be long. Gonna have to transfer, which will take longer. And they already had the signs up for the FIFA World Cup, which is nice. And looks like this will be one of the biggest interchange, that's new, with the FIFA World Cup. And hopefully the system will not get worse like what just happened when Taylor was here. And we will, there's more signage for the FIFA World Cup, which is nice. At least easy for people to figure out where they'll be going to and from the game, which will be nice, and it'll help them a lot for tourists. And for some people, oh man. Yeah, we can wait for the next one. This one is let's see what's the next one. In 4 minutes. Oh, okay. So I'll come back in 4 minutes or 10, depends which one comes first. See ya. We will see. Let's see where we will go. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yes. Okay.
I don't think it's the Bathurst streetcar. Actually, it's a streetcar lane. So I think it actually. Oh, we have. There is a streetcar lane. Okay. So. There's the dedicated streetcar lanes. So I think they just repainted this a couple of weeks ago or something.
Please look out for traffic when exiting.
And actually, the streetcar is the same. The streetcar is the same model with the new LRT, but the LRT has one more module and it's a little bit more thicker with design length wise, but it's not red and white.
Harvard Street.
Cybertruck.
Please look right for traffic when exiting.
And here comes, this is the 10-minute one. Oh no, I think this is the other one. The one we patched should be the 10-minute one. So, yeah.
Next stop, Ulster Street. Please look right for traffic when exiting. There is no traffic in the city.
From like psychiatry. Oh, being a psychiatrist in like a session. We love research.
This is the 506 Carlton streetcar going to Hyde Park.
Next stop, Nassau Street, Toronto Western Hospital. Please take note of the traffic.
That concludes our journey from the east end all the way to the west end. Like, comment, subscribe.